The next step of a job hazard analysis is determining how to protect workers from the hazards.
What we want to do is identify the hazards that are present or likely to be present in the work environment and then address how we're going to control those hazards. The biggest mistake people make is they go directly to personal protective equipment or PPE. That's always your last choice.
The hierarchy of controls is arranged from the most to least effective. Most effective include elimination, substitution, engineering controls. Then administrative controls. And lastly, personal protective equipment.
So if we can eliminate the hazard in the first place, that's always the best way to address a hazard in the workplace.
It is common to use a combination of all three. If the employer cannot prevent hazards from coming into contact with workers through the use of effective engineering controls, then implementing administrative controls becomes necessary. That could include implementations of administrative procedures, rotating employees, effective warning systems, and having a robust training program. The least effective control system is personal protective equipment, or PPE, because we know that this is the hazard control method that is most likely to fail. The PPE has to fit the worker, and the worker has to use it all the time appropriately. It must be appropriate for the working environment or exposure, and workers must still be able to work their job safely while wearing it. Other considerations include that PPE can wear out or degrade. It can be worn improperly, and it could be the wrong size and fit for the individual worker.
So some great examples of engineering controls would include ventilation, sound suppression systems, machine guarding, isolating the work area through barriers.
Your workers are the most important resource for reviewing possible hazard controls. Get their insight and opinion on what has worked well and what has not. You will need worker buy-in for a control to be effective both in theory and in practice.